Looking for a great table saw for your next project? Look no further than Baumr-AG's BTB60. At its heart is a 2000 watt motor that spins the 10-inch blade at 4,800 RPM, giving you the cutting power for the hardest of woods. The adjustable height blade can be raised up to 85 mils so you can get the right combination of performance and safety for each workpiece. The blade can be tilted to 45 degrees for accurate miter, bevel and compound cuts. And with the quick-to-adjust full-length rip fence and the sliding miter jig, it's easy to repeat the cuts. You also get a laser guide for ultimate precision, as well as a push stick for safe working, and the sturdy stand has anti-tip supports. The deck has plenty of room to work on your cutting projects. And with the extendable side tables, you get a 950mm width, large enough to handle a standard sheet of plywood. By adding a roller stand, you can tackle even bigger jobs. And with one of Baumr's dust extractors, keeping your workspace clean is easy. So what are you waiting for? Get the job done right. Buy smarter, buy a Baumr.